So I'm sitting here at Central and Woodlawn in eastern Wichita, Kansas, and I am facing due south, and I've got cloud movement that is going to the northwest, or almost directly west, it looks like. It's hard to tell on camera here, but on radar, all of the thunderstorm activity seems to be moving directly north or northeast. So I don't know if we've got some stuff here that's feeding the storm. I really don't see any signs of rotation, but definitely some interesting cloud behavior. And I'm going to roll down my window and point to the west, and you'll be able to see that we have stuff moving in from the west. It's moving northeast. If I can get my window rolled down. It's really hard to tell on video, but it's going to be a pretty decent thunderstorm.